Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars, planets, maybe the moon. But out there, far beyond what our eyes can detect, a tiny machine is sailing through the darkness. This is Voyager 1, a piece of humanity, a message in a cosmic bottle sent out into the great ocean of space. It carries our greetings, our music, and our location. Launched way back in 1977, this small explorer is about to do something incredible. Today, on August 28, 2025, Voyager 1 becomes the first object made by human hands to travel one full light day away from us. It is a milestone that speaks volumes about our dreams. So what is a light day? It's a way we measure the immense distances in the cosmos. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. In a single second, a beam of light can circle the Earth more than 7 times. Imagine how far that light can travel in an entire day. That's a light day. It's a distance of about 26 billion kilometers, or 16 billion miles. To put that in perspective, if you were to drive a car at highway speeds, it would take you more than 30,000 years to cover that same distance. Voyager 1 has been traveling for nearly half a century to reach this point. Think about that for a moment. A signal from Voyager 1, traveling at the speed of light, now takes a full day to reach us here on Earth. When we hear from it, we are listening to a message from yesterday. The spacecraft is so far away that the sun, our brilliant life-giving star, has shrunk to just another bright point of light in its sky. It is a lonely pioneer, a testament to our species' relentless curiosity. We built it, we launched it, and we sent it on a journey with no final destination, a one-way ticket into the unknown. This achievement isn't just about a number or a distance, it's a profound reminder of our place in the universe. We are a young species on a small, fragile world, yet we have managed to reach out and touch the space between the stars. Voyager's journey is our journey. It represents the best of us, our ingenuity, our courage, and our unending desire to know what lies beyond the horizon. It is a silent ambassador, carrying the story of Earth into the cosmic darkness, waiting for a time, perhaps billions of years from now, when someone or something might find it. The Voyager 1's adventure began long ago, in a world very different from today. It left Earth in 1977, on a mission to explore the giants of our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. It gave us our first close-up views of these magnificent worlds. We saw the swirling storms of Jupiter's great red spot with breathtaking clarity. We flew through the majestic rings of Saturn, discovering new moons and intricate structures we never knew existed. Voyager completely rewrote our textbooks. It showed us that our solar system was more dynamic, more complex, and more beautiful than we had ever imagined. It was a grand tour of discovery. After its planetary encounters, Voyager's mission was far from over. Its trajectory sent it hurtling toward the edge of the solar system. For decades it traveled onward, silently and faithfully. Then, in 2012, something remarkable happened. Voyager 1 crossed a boundary we had only theorized about. It passed through the heliopause, the invisible bubble created by the sun's solar wind. This is the point where the sun's influence ends and the vast, empty expanse of interstellar space begins. Voyager 1 had officially left our solar system and entered the realm of the stars. It was a ghost ship sailing on the interstellar wind. The journey has been long and patient. Voyager travels at an incredible speed by human standards, over 38,000 miles per hour. That's fast enough to travel from New York to Los Angeles in under 5 minutes. Yet in the cosmic arena, this speed is a crawl. The universe is so vast that even at this blistering pace, it has taken Voyager nearly 48 years to travel a single light day. This contrast tells us something fundamental about space exploration. It requires patience. It requires a vision that extends beyond a single lifetime. The people who built Voyager knew they might not be around to see its greatest achievements. This incredible journey also sparks a fascinating debate among scientists. Where does the solar system truly end? While Voyager 1 has passed the heliopause, it is still nowhere near the Oort cloud. This is a theoretical, immense sphere of icy bodies that is believed to surround our solar system, held loosely by the sun's gravity. It might take Voyager another 300 years just to reach the inner edge of the Oort cloud, and perhaps 30,000 years to pass through it completely. Our cosmic backyard is far larger and more mysterious than we often realize. Voyager's journey is teaching us just how much there is still left to explore. Let's talk about speed. Voyager 1 is one of the fastest objects ever built by humans. It races through space at more than 17 kilometers every single second. But the universe has a speed limit, and it's the speed of light. Light travels at an almost unimaginable 300,000 kilometers per second. If you compare Voyager's speed to that, our fastest spacecraft is moving at a snail's pace. It's like comparing a crawling baby to a fighter jet. Voyager is traveling at only about 0.005% of the speed of light. This simple fact puts the challenge of interstellar travel into stark perspective. The distances between stars are staggering. Our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is more than 4 light-years away. For Voyager 1, even if it were heading in the right direction, a journey to that star would take about 75,000 years. This is the reality we face. Our technology, as advanced as it seems to us, is still in its infancy when measured against the scale of the cosmos. Exploring the galaxy will require breakthroughs we can currently only dream of. It forces us to be humble and to recognize the immense technological leaps we still need to make. Yet this slowness does not diminish Voyager's achievement. In fact, it makes it even more inspiring. It's a story of persistence. For nearly 5 decades, a dedicated team of scientists and engineers on Earth has listened to Voyager's faint whispers. They have kept its systems running, nursing a machine that is now billions of miles away, powered by the faint warmth of decaying plutonium. This mission is a marathon, not a sprint. It demonstrates humanity's ability to commit to long-term goals, to work across generations for the sake of knowledge and discovery. Voyager's ongoing mission fills us with a sense of awe and wonder. It's a constant reminder of how vast the universe is and how much we still don't know. It's floating in a cosmic sea, measuring the magnetic fields and cosmic rays of interstellar space, data that no one has ever collected before. It is our first true interstellar probe. Every piece of information it sends back is a treasure, a postcard from the void. It fuels our curiosity and encourages the next generation of explorers to dream bigger, to ask bolder questions, and to continue our journey to the stars. As Voyager 1 continues its silent, endless journey, it invites us to think, to imagine. Take a moment and consider this. If you could send one short message to Voyager right now, what would it say? Remember, your message would travel for a full day at the speed of light just to reach it. What words would you choose to send into the great unknown? A message representing you and all of us. Would it be a message of hope? A question? A simple hello from a distant world? This thought experiment connects us personally to this incredible voyage. This mission also forces us to confront one of the biggest questions in science and science fiction. Will humans ever travel faster than the speed of light? According to our current understanding of physics, moving faster than light is impossible. It would violate the fundamental laws of cause and effect. But are we sure? Are there loopholes in the laws of nature that we haven't discovered yet? Could technologies like wormholes or warp drives, once the stuff of fantasy, one day become reality? These are the questions that drive innovation and push the boundaries of what is possible. Voyager's journey is, in many ways, a story about time. The time it took to build it, the decades it has spent traveling, and the immense timescales of its future journey. It will wander the Milky Way galaxy for millions, perhaps billions of years. Long after our cities have crumbled and our civilizations are forgotten, Voyager will continue. It may be the last remaining evidence that we ever existed. This thought is both humbling and deeply moving. It connects our fleeting existence to the grand cosmic timeline. We have left a mark on the galaxy. In the end, Voyager 1 is more than just a spacecraft. It is a symbol of our unyielding spirit of exploration. It embodies our need to look beyond the horizon, to venture into the unknown, and to understand our place in the cosmos. It tells us that even with our limitations, we can achieve extraordinary things. As you look up at the stars tonight, remember that one of them, a faint and distant point of our own making, is sailing onward. It carries our hopes and our dreams into the infinite night, a testament to the curious species that dared to reach for the stars.